And so it made me realize that sometimes self-belief and self-reliance can take you further than confidence. And making efforts purely out of conviction and drive is worth it because things may not turn out the way that you envision them or hope to turn out, but you never know what your efforts are going to bring. So I know that it's been a difficult year for many people, maybe even you. So first of all, I want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for following, if you've been following along. And second, I want to encourage you because if you're looking back on your year and it feels like a blizzard and you can't even quite make sense of what you achieved or whether it went the way you wanted it to go, I just want you to know that you have made progress. And you can see that if you ask yourself, what do you have today, no matter how small, that you didn't have a year ago? What did you create? What did you discover? What did you realize? What did you learn that you didn't know a year ago today? And then looking forward, what will be the fruits of your efforts and your self-belief and your conviction if you just keep going?